So I got the new Cardo unit installed with my helmet, and I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a test run of what it actually sounds like and how loud it is. So I just got it quietly playing in the background at the moment, and get the bike going, and as soon as I get my left hand free, let's crank up the volume, baby. So that would have to be some of the best speakers I've had in a helmet ever. Just enjoying the tunes and having a beautiful ride on my bike at night. What could be better?